If you searched how to buy shares of Mcmillan Shakespeare Ltd, this short guide will show the basic steps to purchase the stock. Mcmillan Shakespeare Ltd provides salary packaging, novated leasing, and fleet management services, and it trades on CBOE Australia under the ticker MMS.ASX. This is educational only and not financial advice. To trade shares, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After signing up, you must verify your account with an ID and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker MMS.ASX to find Mcmillan Shakespeare Ltd. Select the matching result to open the official listing for the company. On the asset page, check the company overview, market listing, and the live price chart to confirm this is the correct stock. Verify it is listed on CBOE AUS with the ticker MMS.ASX before proceeding. To buy, click Buy or Trade. Enter the amount you want to invest, review the order details, and confirm the transaction. If the market is closed, the order may be queued for the next session. And if you have insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add more before completing the purchase. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is available in the description if you want to explore the platform further.